Yes, welcome to the Revit Guy channel. And we're continuing from where we stopped the last time on detailing architectural plans for construction drawings. So this is like a continuation. It's going to be a short video. We're just going to add more details. I didn't want that to be long because I got some messages from private messages from people that the videos are too long. I'm trying to shorten them and stuff. And I've been very busy all the while, and so what I'm going to add to this is further details. So I want to add the finished floor and all, then down window shade. Although I do add that on a different sheet entirely, so we might leave that for now. So let's go. So the first thing you want to do is set your levels. Oh, I have already set this level. As you can see, I'm still not done with this. I have been super busy, super swamped with work and some other personal stuff. But I mean, I'm just squeezing out this time to bring this out. So first thing you do, you create a level, and I believe we all know how to create a levels. So, but if you go to, architecture, you pick the levels and you draw it. So that's pretty much it. So I created levels at plus 70 above the structural floor. Reason being is that most times, your screws will be between 50 to 40, and your tile thickness maybe another 20 or thereabouts and stuff. So that's what I'm working with. And so let's go. So if we do that, the reason why I'm doing that, so that I can draw my floor on that level. Where was I again? Yes, so sorry, draw the floor on that level. So what we want to do is that we want to rename this sheet to 00 ground FFL, finished floor level. Let's keep it simple. And if you notice, I put it on this side, because if I put it on this side, it makes this side become even busier. So normally you would even do this so that you don't have all those guys creeping on each other. So another thing is that I'll do is I would change the, so you duplicate when you want to make this one. That's very important as well. I'll change the line pattern to what's now something. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, something like that. And I'll change it to probably this gray, because I sort of don't want it in the way, So same thing for the first floor. So I turn it off on this side and I turn it on this side, so it doesn't interfere when we're doing our elevations. And also would check the dimension, make sure it is 70, because we agreed that we're using 70, right? So that's fine. So if we go down to our finished floor level, change this back to true north, so it's perpendicular to what we're doing. I won't really do much on this thing, so I might as well not just annotate. I just want to get my floor, going. So first floor will be this gentleman. So that guy's not giving me a good so yeah, let's use this. So we have to edit the floor, duplicate. So say maybe this is going to be like a 1 2 by 1 2 tile. So want to porcelain style. Oh, that's not just porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles. Change this to so I'll insert one more and I'll tell you why. So this would be the finish, maybe like 20 or 10 depending. So this would be like the screed, this would be 50, you know. So we're trying to get, so let's give this the material that we want. So we can create a new material. Sorry, rename. So say 1, 2. I want to porcelain tile. So since I'm not rendering with this, I really don't bother about the appearance. So I'm more concerned about the graphics. So if you want to render and you want it to show, that's where you come, you know, give it your ceramic or your whatever tile that you can edit and stuff. But I'm really not rendering, so I'm interested in the graphics, what it looks like. So we want the surface pattern to be this is for the finish, correct? Yeah. So this model, definitely. So we have a 600 by 1.2, or we'll just create a new one. A new fill pattern, cross hatch, leave this as 90. Oops, I didn't finish. I have to press enter. Edit. So let's call this 1.2. 1.2 by 1.2. Okay, let's make this 1.2. Yep, and we're good to go. Okay, correct. This gray, well, this gray might be too dark, but let's see what it looks like. So yeah, that's one. We've done this. Then for the structure, we want this to be screed, screed bed, create new material, graining, screed. So this will be cut, because you don't want it to have a surface. So we can leave this as drafting, you know. So something like this is fine. Yeah, this gray is fine. And for this, we might want to add a cut pattern. So maybe solid. Let's make it a little bit light. Then I think we are good on that, and we can finish. I made it just one. Oh, I didn't. I thought I made this crosshatch. Oops, crosshatch. Yeah, I thought I made it crosshatch. So we have that for our tiles. Let's go to the main floor that we'll be detailing. Let's see if it is okay, it's not really doing. So let me just cut this guy, this wall, so that we know that this is an opening, you know. something like that. So I definitely want this to be with me on this. What's up with you? The beauty about this is that you can rotate or you can align. I don't know why homie went to go. So we just edit this. So maybe I'll just pause the video and just finish up everything, because that's pretty much it. What I wanted to show, how to, you know, put that together. So you have to do that for every space, you know. Do it for this. So we want for the toilet, you do it for the stair hall, for the kitchen, for the laundry. So let me, you know, pause the video and I'll be right back. Yes, so welcome back. So pretty much done the floor. I had to change this to 1.2 by 600. It was looking funny, so this will flow with the pool deck when I eventually do that. And so put the tiles everywhere. So another thing you want to notice is that if you want to now say you want to tag, because this is just giving us the structural levels. Now I'm feeling like changing this symbol. Anyway, so this is now giving us, so if you want to change the so you want to tag the spot height for both of them, which is sometimes useful, you can, you know, you do top and bottom. So it gives you the top and the bottom elevations. So you can also say you want to make this a single upper FFL, that's finished floor level, single lower, hope I'm putting prefix, yes, SFL. Coming prefix, I said SFL. Yes, so we might have to shift it or not, but that's just what I'm saying. So if you want to show them that your finished level is 670 and structural floor is 600, so you know what they are dealing with and all, so you can do that. So you just have to edit this and probably move this, you know, away a little bit. I don't know why it's numbering this way, so maybe let's try 4. Yeah, so something like this. So also you can edit it so that this goes under and all this kind of stuff if you want to make it fine. So that's pretty much for this class. So next class we'll be going, so this is 100 series, so maybe we'll be doing section, we'll call the section definitely carries the staircase, maybe one section, you know, since it's not really a live project, it's just something we're using to learn. And so that's it. Hope you have a nice week, and see you next time, hopefully next week. All right, so cheers.